Showing you today how to strip copper. This is some used copper that I had left over after a job, and now I'm going to be taking it to the recycling. And they give you a little bit more if it's got the coating stripped off of it, so we're going to remove that. The first thing that would be good to do, if you're able to and it's warm out, is let it sit outside in the sun and kind of warm up the coating. It'll strip a little bit easier than when it's cold and a little stiff and tough. So what I like to do is take about a foot like this. You can take it and you can cut it up into smaller pieces. I don't like to do that just because it's a little more time consuming, so I just do it in one big piece like this one here. So you take about a foot of it like this, and then you want to take your knife, make sure you've got a good sharp knife blade, come back and just go slow. You want to kind of get it started right inside the coating, and then try to make sure that your blade is straight. Don't pull too hard, because there'll be a chance of you cutting yourself. If the blade was to slip off, it could cut you, and nobody wants to be cut like that. So get it stripped like that, pull the coating back just like that here, and as you can see, I've got my truck right here, and I take it and I like to bend that over here and hook it around the ball of my truck just like that. And then I like to pull it tight and go in and put the knife blade on it, staying back, going nice and slow and easy, and keeping tension on that wire. But I want this hand that's holding it back, that way whenever I'm pulling, if it was to come out and it slips out, it's not gonna slice into my other hand that's holding it there. So just keep some tension and nice and slow. I like to take it and put one thumb underneath it just like that to kind of hold my blade as a guide to keep it straight. Like I said, just go nice and easy. Don't get to pulling too hard. It doesn't strip as good if you're handling it real rough. Whenever I get to the end, I do the same thing as I did at the first. Just take it, get it going real slow, pulling nice and easy, just enough to move the blade. You can come up here at this piece that you already got started, grab that, pull the coating right off of it. And then, since it's so long, I like to take it, fold it up and manageable, just like that, and then I throw it over here in my basket that I've got. So that's how you strip copper. God bless. Thanks for watching. The more you know, the more valuable you are.